You know, more than 30,000 eggs were used to prepare the paint of this colorful mosque. Before continue this video, like, share, and subscribe to know the answer. Sarena Jamia. In Albanian language, Jamia Elarme. In Turkish language, Alaja Jami, meaning decorated mosque in English, but also variably translated as painted colorful mosque. Is a mosque located near the Pena River in Tetovo, North Macedonia. The mosque was originally built in 1438 and later rebuilt in 1833 by Abdurrahman Pasha. Unlike other mosques of the classical Ottoman period, the Sarena Mosque is more characteristic of traditional mosques in Anatolia, as it was constructed before the conquest of Constantinople, when Byzantine-influenced mosque domes became the standard design. The Sarena Jamia was originally built in 1438. The architect behind the Sarena Jamia was Isaac Bey. Most of the mosques of the time had sultans, beys or pashash financing their constructions. But the Sarena Jamia, however, was financed by two sisters from Tetovo. As with many mosques, a hammam was built nearby across the river. The site used to include an inn as well as a bathhouse on the other side of the river. The current courtyard of the Sarena Jamia is filled with many flowers, a fountain, and a turb. The octagonal turb houses the resting places of Urshida and Mensur, the two sisters who financed the constructions of the mosque in 1438. Abdurrahman Pasha, a great enthusiast of art who was fond of Tetovo, reconstructed the Sarena Jamia in 1833. In 1991, the Islamic community in Tetovo built walls around the mosque in the typical classical Ottoman style. In 2010, a renovation of the exterior paintings was completed, and with a €94,700 grant from the United States State Department, the facade was reconstructed and preserved in 2011. Unlike the traditional Ottoman Quranic tile decorations in mosques, the Sarena Jamia has bright floral paintings. More than 30,000 eggs were used to prepare the paint and glaze that went into the elaborate decorations. Another major difference between the Sarena Jamia and other Ottoman mosques is that the Sarena Jamia doesn't have a distinctive exterior dome, as the architecture of the mosque styles the early Constantinople Ottoman architecture. The distinguishing feature of the mosque is its painted decorations. Abdurrahman Pasha commissioned Padishpulpos masters from Dibar who painted the ornamentation with oil paints. In addition to the geometric and floral ornamentations, landscape is also encountered. Among the pictorial decorations, especially attractive is the depiction of Mecca, a rare and perhaps the only example of the illustrations of the shrine of the Islamic prophet Sayyidina Muhammad SAW in Southeast Europe. Given its age and architecture, Jamia Elarme would have been remarkable in its own right, but the decorations make it a place of immense cultural and artistic value. Abdurrahman Pasha called on artists from Dibar to decorate both the interior and exterior of the mosque. On the exterior walls, between the wooden windows, they tastefully inserted intricate floral and geometric patterns divided into panes. A large 6-point star stands out on the ceiling of the porch. The interior decorations are simply stunning. Floral and geometric motifs dominate, but the corbelled dome and the upper sections of the walls also boast depictions of famous urban landscapes and 12 medallions with the exquisite calligraphic names of 12 prophets. Each front-facing upper window has an internal semicircular balcony whose design is enhanced by rich and colorful decorations. At the back of Jamia El Arme is a graveyard with ancient tombs. The oldest ones date back to the 16th century, and they belong to the Harshite and Menshur, daughters of an Anatolian Pasha. Comment below for your wishes most in the world. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, to know the latest videos.